Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's Dr. Suzie Carmack and I'm very glad you're here. Today we're going to be practicing a pose that helps us to open our hips, that is butterfly. You're going to learn how you can adapt this pose with a chair, with blocks, and with a mat. The journey of butterfly begins in the red zone, seated on either a chair or a bench, as we'll see in a moment. We can allow the hips to open where they comfortably do, choosing to find a tall posture and perhaps giving ourselves a focus for the hands. We can also hold carefully onto the knees as we see here on the stairs or bench, and then over time allow ourselves to let go of the knees to open the hips further. In the yellow zone, we can choose to find ourselves on the floor if that's available today and take a block underneath each thigh. This gives us some support for the hips so that we can focus on a nice tall, long spine and not go too deeply into hip external rotation. We can also choose to lengthen the spine forward, keeping it mostly neutral. In the green zone, we'll start with a neutral spine as well, holding on to the knees as we did in the earlier postures, choosing to not slouch but to find ourselves sitting as tall as we can. From there, we can allow the knees to open, but notice we're not pulling the ankles or the toes towards our nose. Instead, we're bringing our chest and our whole torso forward. Once we find ourselves forward in a neutral spine and we feel good, we can come into a more passive stretch, gently rounding the spine and relaxing the upper body. And there you have it. Butterfly posture in the red, yellow, and green zone in my traffic light method for my new book, Yoga for One. I hope that this whole series is helpful to you for finding ways that you can practice in your own unique way. Take good care, and namaste.